Hey everybody, and welcome back to Steve's World of Wonders. I'm at Grant Crossing near Stittsville on Hazeldean Road, and I'm going to check out the Value Village here and see what they have. Stay tuned. Old barn back there, farmhouse. Got a coffee shop here, a booster juice, and an Italian restaurant. A Home Sense and Michael's over there. Value Village is up this way. Here's the Value Village and a Bed Bath & Beyond next to it. Some other stores up this way. Thai food place. Shoe store. CDs, some games here, books, cloud painting up here, that's pretty cool. Some cool pineapple bookends. There's a creepy guy in here. Thank you very much. Set of bongos for $10. This gumball machine. This guy. Draw. There's the Value Village. There's also a Five Guys burger place here. Here's another view of that barn across Hazeldean Road here. And I'm gonna take the bus back home. It's the middle of February. I'm heading into the Byward market. I'm in Ottawa. And it's Winterlude. So I'm gonna check out some of the Winterlude things that they have in the market. Always a favorite in the winter, beaver tails. Check out the moon behind the clock there tonight. The picture's a little foggy around where the lights are. I think because it's so cold out. There's the Winterlude signs. There's some things set up over this way, but I think that's more the daytime stuff that goes on for Winterlude in the market here. There's the Chateau Lafayette. So under the Lafayette House sign, there's a snow sculpture here. Of a lumberjack. Looks like some ice sculptures up this way under these nice lights. There's the Ottawa sign. An ice bench. There's a throne made of ice over here. I gotta watch my footing, it's slippery. Ice throne and another ice bench. Hello. Welcome back to Steve's World of Wonders. I'm here at Winterlude in the middle of February. I'm in the Byward market in Ottawa. Going to check out some of the what they have down here at nighttime for our Winterlude festivities. So off we go to check things out. Alright, we're on the other side of these tents that are set up, and this is where they have some more ice sculptures inside these things, so protect them from the elements, I suppose. They've got it barricaded at night though, to keep them secure from hooligans. One looks pretty intricate and elaborate. It's pretty cool. Looks good with the green lights. I guess different countries participated. The International Ice Competition. Alright, so we went from there and now we're gonna head this way. This is a train. I came down here to see this chimes exhibit, but it might be turned off because of the cold. I hope not. It's working. Here's this interactive chimes exhibit. I think it's turned off, but we'll see. There's one light on over there and a light on over here. does work. That was interesting.